Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I could not stream because my main connection is out due to cyclone in Mumbai and I am running on my backup connection which is not that fast enough to live stream. But this video is about US indices, precious metals, crude oil and of course dollar index. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently it is trading 34,360. It has made a high of 34,454 and currently trading almost 100 points down from its peak. So what is the trend today and what is the support resistance? Let's find out. Dow Jones support stands at 34,120. Dow Jones resistance would be 34,530. Currently Dow Jones is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Dow Jones break 34,120 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 33,800 and 33,500. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 13,330. Nasdaq is also trading in positive zone. So let's find out the support today. Nasdaq support stand at 13,200. Nasdaq resistance at 13,520. Currently it is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. I also update US indices and cryptocurrencies levels in Asian session. You can click join button and watch the levels in community post. Currently this is S&P 500. It is trading 470. Interestingly, it is also in positive zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support. S&P 500 support stands at 4144. S&P 500 resistance at 4192. Currently it is also trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to gold prices. In my community post, I have also posted levels for Bitcoin and Ethereum in morning. You can click join button to view that levels. This is gold chart. Currently it is trading near the highest point of the day. Highest point is 1855.40 and it is trading 1853.50. So just $2 away from highest point of the day. It just made low around 1843 and now it is recovering very fast. So what is the resistance? What is the support? Let's find out. Gold support stands at 1840 today. Gold resistance would be 1862. Currently gold is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If gold break 1840, then only it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise it would be in positive zone, and above 1862 we might test around 1875 and 1898. Let's move on to euro now, which is trading at 2148. If you have watched my morning video which I update on my Hindi channel, then you must be knowing the support, and support remain intact. Current support in euro stands at 2120. Euro resistance would be 2170. Still it is in positive zone despite dollar index is in weak zone. Despite that it is trading in positive zone, so that is a good for him, good for the euro. Let's move on to dollar index. Here we have dollar index chart. It is trading 90.26 after making low around 90.18. It also tried to make high around 90.40. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Dollar index resistance stands at 90.42. 90.42 is resistance. I have forgot to write the resistance. Dollar index support at 89.98. Currently dollar index is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy, but if break 90.42 and manage to sustain above that level, then it will enter in positive zone, and after that it can test around 90.70 and even 91. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. For cryptocurrency level in morning, you can click the join button. After clicking the join button, you will be able to see the post in community post, which I usually update around 11 a.m. in Indian timing. I will see you tomorrow, hopefully in streaming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.